And now we are going to talk about various properties of the search algorithms and various types of the search algorithms. Initially we see properties of search algorithms. The first one is the optimality. The next one is the space complexity. The next one is the time complexity, and finally computational complexity. So we see what is the meaning of the optimality. The algorithm, at least it should return a better solution, or at least one of the best, one solution as the optimal solution or best solution. At least one of the solution must be optimal. Is optimal. The next one is space complexity. How much storage is needed to storage or memory is needed to run that particular algorithm. Time complexity. How much time to execute this. And the finally computational complexity. Are there any number of the computations are required? What are the number of various computation operations are required? That is the computational complexity. So it based on number of computations or operations required. That is nothing but computational complexity. Hence we can say all these are the various properties of the search algorithms. Now we are going to see what are the various types of the search algorithms. Search algorithms are divided into two different types. What are they? Now we are going to see. Search algorithms. Here the first comes under uninformed search. Here it comes under informed search. The types of uninformed search are depth first search, depth limit search, iterative, deep search, uniform cost search, and finally breadth first search. All these are comes under uninformed search. Now comes under informed search we have best first search is the first one, and the second one is the A* algorithm. So this is the classification of the search algorithms. In the uninformed search we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5. One more is there, that is 6. Bidirectional search. Total 6 number of the algorithms are there. Bidirectional search in uninformed. It is 6, and uninformed search it is only 2 number of the algorithms. So search algorithms can be divided into classified into like this: informed search and as well as uninformed search. And now we are going to see what is the difference between the informed search and as well as uninformed search. Now we are going to see. Informed search. First I am writing uninformed. here I am writing inform. So we are dividing the page into two. It is also called as blind search. It is also called as informative or heuristic search. Okay, in the uninformed search, while searching from start node to the goal node, there is no domain knowledge. There is no prior information is available where the goal is located. Such kind of the hints are also not at all available. So there is no domain knowledge. Whereas in the uninformed search, hence blindly we are going to search each and every node for the solution. We consider each and every coming node as the solution. If it is not the solution, we leave it and go for the next. Like that we search entire number of the nodes in the place where we have, in the set space where we have, till we find the solution. Hence blindly we are searching for the solution. Hence we can say the uninformed search as the blind search. Why? Because there is no domain knowledge. Or prior knowledge. Here in the informed search, the prior information will be there, the path cast will be there. So each and everything is available, so that basing on that you can directly reach to the goal. Okay, without checking each and every node whether it is a solution or not, like that, basing on the path cast, some information is available, you can make your own route to find the solution. So here domain knowledge is available. The next one is, there is no domain knowledge, hence we need to check each and every node as a solution. Okay, so what I have to write? We have to check each and every node for goal. So no need to check every node for goal. So here we need to check each and every node. Here no need to check each and every node. Whereas in the uninformed search cannot solve the complex problems, whereas informed search can solve all kinds of the problems. It can't solve complex problems. It can solve all problems. More set space we may get. Here set space is limited. And the example algorithms are DFS, BFS, depth limit search, bidirectional search, and iterative deepening search, and finally uniform cast search. Here we have only best first and A star algorithms.